Today's weather is sponsored by Milner and Orr, funeral home and cremation services. Locations in Paducah, Lone Oak, Barwell, Arlington, and Wickliffe. Good morning, I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. It's September 27, 2016, and what a wonderful fall morning we're waking up to. Lows last night dipped into the middle to upper 40s over the entire area. A few spots had 50, 51, 52 degrees, but the bulk of the area actually made it down into the 40s. We take a look at infrared satellite this morning. We see this spinning up to our north. This is a low pressure center, upper level low and low north of the Great Lakes. This will move south and southwest over the next few days and going to have to put clouds and maybe even some showers in the forecast for Thursday and Friday, depending on how far west that low moves. It's going to move in a little bit of an odd direction. Normally our weather comes from west to east, but on Thursday and Friday this low will actually move southward and even westward with time. So a little bit of change in the forecast. That will also keep our temperatures a little bit cooler. Let's go ahead and turn on the temperatures this morning and we'll zoom in a little bit. We'll turn off satellite and we just loop this to see what the morning temperatures were. And you see a lot of 40s in the area. I'll stop it right here. Let me back up a little bit and see if I can get the lows in there. You can see 45 degrees in Paducah, 48 in Murray, 45 in Union City, Paris, Tennessee. You see 45 in Cape Girardeau, 49 in Poplar Bluff, 50 in Mount Vernon. So a lot of 40s over our area. This is one of the cooler mornings we've had since last May. You have to go all the way back to May to find temperatures this cool. So certainly fall has arrived almost right on time. Cool temperatures are going to last right on into the weekend. Highs each day will be in the upper 60s to middle 70s. Lowest temperatures will be when we have that cloud cover on Thursday and Friday. Some locations probably will not get out of the 60s. Otherwise, when we have sunshine, you can expect temperatures into the 70s. And then at nighttime, temperatures will drop back down into the upper 40s to middle 50s, depending on which day we're talking about into the weekend. But the first full week of fall is going to actually feel like fall. Let's take a quick look at the GFS guidance. Now, this is one of the model packages that I look at for forecasting weather. Normally, you can't go straight off a model. Models are for guidance. They're not going to be exact. But what we're going to be watching is a big area low pressure with an upper level low to our north. Now, this system will slide southeastward over the next few days. Then it will slide south and even west. We'll just put this in motion and we move through today and keep an eye on the low. See how it drops southward into the Ohio Valley by Wednesday afternoon and especially Thursday and Friday. We'll keep moving forward in time and just keep your eye on it. Notice how it's over the Ohio Valley. You see these closed isobars. There'll be some gusty winds with that perhaps. We move into Thursday night and Friday and notice how it's moved westward. What this is going to do for our forecast, fly in the ointment I might call it, is that our eastern counties have to monitor for cloud cover and maybe even some showers on Thursday and Friday. Let's go with east of the Mississippi River for now and let's see just how far west this thing shifts. But by Thursday and Friday, expect increasing clouds, maybe some showers over parts of Illinois and Kentucky especially. Further west you go, the further away from this upper level low that you will be and the less impact from it. Let's keep moving forward. This is Friday evening and has the low over Indiana and Ohio with some showers wrapping around it, counterclockwise circulation. That keeps us in the cooler air as well. So I had lowered temperatures in the extended forecast just a bit. We move into Saturday and watch what happens to the low. It starts to move northeastward and accelerates. So that should get it out of here by Saturday and Sunday, leaving us with cool and dry conditions. But I just wanted to show you that I am updating the forecast. I mentioned this yesterday and even more so today that we're going to have to put some clouds in the forecast for Thursday and Friday and maybe some showers as well, mostly over southeast Illinois, Pennyroyal area of Kentucky and Indiana. Now, if it shifts further west, we'll have to put showers in the forecast further west as well. So let's just keep an eye on the trends over the next 24 hours. If you have plans on Thursday or Friday, you may have to deal with clouds and maybe some showers. Cool temperatures will be with us right on into the weekend. So let's go ahead and look at the forecast details for the rest of today. Mostly sunny sky conditions, just a few fair weather clouds this afternoon. It will be pleasant and cool, fall-like day, west-northwest winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour with gusts to 15 at times. And high temperatures today, mostly in the lower to middle 70s. At the bus stop this afternoon for the kids, expect temperatures around 75 degrees, mostly sunny, pleasant, no problems at the bus stop. Tonight, another fall night, low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s, mostly clear sky conditions, maybe some patchy fog. Again, a little chilly, but not bad. It is fall now. Winds from the north-northwest at 3 to 6 miles per hour. And we look at the week ahead. Now remember, we do have the wild card on Thursday and Friday with that upper level low, probably going to be some clouds, maybe even some showers, especially over southeast Illinois, southern Indiana, into parts of west Kentucky. We'll keep an eye on how far west-southwest that upper level low moves. But let's start out with Wednesday, mostly sunny, pleasant, high temperatures, lower 70s. Moving to Wednesday night, maybe some late night clouds. Low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s. Thursday, some increase in clouds, maybe a shower over our eastern counties. High temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Low temperatures on Thursday night down into the 50s again. We move into Friday, some clouds, maybe a shower again over our eastern counties. We'll keep an eye on that upper level low. Temperatures upper 60s to lower 70s for highs. If we do have that cloud cover, that will keep temperatures down a little bit. We move into Friday night, expect clearing sky conditions, overnight lows upper 40s to lower 50s. And then we move into Saturday. I have it at partly cloudy for now. We'll see how quick that low exits our region. It will be pleasant. High temperatures on Saturday around 70 degrees. We'll keep an eye on that temperature gauge as well. May have to bump that up a little bit. Saturday night, lows down in the 50s again. And I didn't put Sunday on here, but let's just talk about Sunday. Should be mostly sunny sky conditions with temperatures in the 70s and overnight lows down into the 50s on Sunday night. Okay, so the main thing we have to watch is the upper level low on Thursday and Friday.